Welcome to NeoTech-Lens, your ultimate destination for the latest updates on cutting-edge technology, AI innovations, futuristic gadgets, and everything shaping the tech-driven world. Stay ahead of the curve with insightful content, breaking tech news, and in-depth discussions on how technology impacts our daily lives. Join us to explore the future, one lens at a time.
Welcome back to our channel. This week in AI has been nothing short of groundbreaking. From Microsoft's introduction of advanced Copilot agents to revolutionary developments in AI-generated video content, the landscape of artificial intelligence is evolving at an unprecedented pace. We've got a lot to unpack today, from new AI agents that can analyze data and write research papers, to AI models that can generate infinite videos. We're also going to be talking about some of the potential pitfalls of AI, such as the issue of AI hallucinations and the importance of responsible AI development. So, if you're ready to dive into the latest and greatest in the world of AI, buckle up and let's go. Alright, first up this week is Microsoft and their continued push to weave AI into every aspect of their software suite. Remember when Copilot was just that helpful little AI buddy in the sidebar of your Office apps? Well, Microsoft clearly has bigger plans for it. They just announced two new AI agents, Researcher and Analyst. These agents are designed to seriously up your productivity game. Imagine having an AI that can sift through mountains of data, pull out the key insights, and even format it all into a digestible report, all while you focus on the bigger picture. That's what Analyst is aiming for. And Researcher, this one's for all the academics and knowledge workers out there. Imagine being able to offload the tedious task of literature reviews to an AI that can understand complex research papers, identify key citations, and even help you structure your arguments. Microsoft is really pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI integration. Of course, the big question is how well these new Copilot agents will actually perform in the real world. It's going to be interesting to see how this all plays out in the coming months and years. Next up, we're jumping into the world of video creation, and things are about to get really interesting. SkyReels is a company you might not have heard of yet, but they're developing some truly mind-blowing technology. I'm talking about AI-generated videos of theoretically infinite length. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI generating videos isn't exactly new, but SkyReels is claiming to do something different. They're not just stitching together pre-made clips or generating short, looping animations. They're talking about creating long-form, coherent videos with evolving narratives, all powered by AI. Imagine being able to generate an entire movie, complete with different scenes, characters, and plot twists, just by feeding some basic prompts to an AI. That's the kind of future that SkyReels is hinting at. Think about educational content, training videos, even personalized entertainment experiences. The possibilities are pretty much endless. How convincing will these AI-generated videos be? Will they capture the nuance and emotional depth of human-created content? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, SkyReels is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI, and I'm excited to see where they take this technology next. Moving on, we're shifting gears from creative applications of AI to the raw power behind these models. Baidu, the Chinese tech giant, just unveiled their latest and greatest ERNIE 4.5 Turbo and ERNIE X1 Turbo. These turbo models are all about pushing the boundaries of performance while also addressing a critical issue in the AI world: cost. Training these massive AI models requires a ton of computing power, which translates to a hefty price tag. But Baidu claims that their turbo models can deliver top-tier performance at a fraction of the cost of their predecessors and competitors. This is a big deal, because it could make powerful AI technology accessible to a much wider range of businesses and researchers. Baidu is also touting significant improvements in the accuracy and efficiency of their ERNIE turbo models. They're claiming faster inference times, better language understanding, and improved performance on a variety of tasks, from text generation to question answering. It'll be interesting to see how this competition plays out and what it means for the future of AI development. We're entering a new era of AI, where performance and affordability are no longer mutually exclusive. Now let's talk about something a little closer to home. Our smartphones. Specifically, a brand new voice assistant for iOS called, well, Perplexity. This voice assistant is aiming to give Siri a run for its money. What sets Perplexity apart? It's all about bringing the power of real-time information and seamless integration to your voice commands. Imagine being able to ask complex questions, get detailed answers pulled directly from the web, and even have those answers read back to you in a natural-sounding voice, all without ever having to touch your phone. It's not just about setting alarms or making calls. It's about having a truly intelligent assistant that can help you navigate the vast world of information available at our fingertips. They're also emphasizing privacy, which is a big deal in today's data-driven world. Perplexity claims to be built with privacy in mind, so you can feel confident that your personal information is protected. The combination of real-time information, seamless integration, and a focus on privacy could be a winning formula. Can it understand natural language queries? Can it provide accurate and relevant information? We'll have to put it through its paces to find out. But one thing's for sure, the voice assistant game just got a whole lot more interesting. Okay, we're about to get a little bit meta here, so buckle up. ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, just unveiled UiTars 1.5, and this AI agent is unlike anything we've seen before. Why? Because it's designed to understand and control user interfaces. UiTars can basically interact with apps and websites just like a human user. It can understand the different elements on a screen, figure out how to navigate between them, and even perform actions like clicking buttons and filling out forms. Now you might be thinking, okay, but why is this a big deal? Well, think about the possibilities. Imagine being able to automate complex tasks that currently require manual input. Need to update your contact information across a dozen different websites. UiTars could handle that for you in minutes. Want to quickly gather data from a bunch of different sources and compile it into a spreadsheet? UiTars could do that too. The potential for increased productivity and efficiency is huge. And it's not just about automating mundane tasks. UiTars could also be used to create entirely new ways of interacting with technology. Imagine being able to control your entire digital life with just your voice. Need to book a flight? Just tell UiTars where you want to go. Want to order takeout? UiTars can browse the menu and place your order. Alright, let's talk about a topic that always sparks debate and a little bit of existential dread. The Turing test. You know, the test designed to determine if a machine can exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from that of a human. Well, a recent study by UC San Diego suggests that GPT-4.5, the latest iteration of OpenAI's language model, might just be getting close. In their experiments, GPT 4.5 was able to convince a panel of human judges that it was human, a staggering 73% of the time. Now, the Turing test has been criticized for being a flawed measure of true artificial intelligence, and rightfully so. But regardless of your stance on the test itself, you have to admit that a 73% success rate is pretty darn impressive. This raises some interesting questions about the future of human-computer interaction. As these language models become more sophisticated, will we reach a point where we can no longer tell the difference between talking to a human and talking to a machine? AI systems are still under development and have flaws, like hallucinations. Hallucinations occur when AI generates incorrect or made-up information. DeepMind's research shows rare words in training data can cause these issues. This highlights the need for caution in training and deploying AI models. Researchers are actively working on solutions to mitigate these challenges. Finally, let's wrap things up with a look at how one of the biggest platforms on the internet is using AI to enhance the user experience. YouTube is currently testing out a new feature that uses AI to generate short video summaries that appear in search results. Now, we've all been there. You're scrolling through YouTube looking for a specific video or trying to learn something new, and you're faced with a wall of video thumbnails and titles. It can be overwhelming, to say the least. YouTube's AI-generated summaries aim to make this process a little less daunting. By providing a quick overview of what each video is about, these summaries could help users quickly identify the most relevant and interesting content. This could be a game changer for content discovery on the platform. Instead of having to click through multiple videos to find what you're looking for, you could quickly scan the summaries and jump straight to the good stuff. For creators, this could mean increased visibility and engagement. For viewers, it could mean discovering hidden gems they might have otherwise missed. That's it for this week's roundup of AI news. As you can see, the world of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving. with new breakthroughs and challenges emerging all the time. From AI agents that can analyze data and write research papers, to AI models that can generate infinite videos, we're witnessing a technological revolution unfold before our very eyes. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly AI updates. Stay informed and see you next.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.